Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics YouTube channel. It's me, Shafas. Today we can compare Newton's law of gravitation and Coulomb's law. What are the similarities? What are the differences in between them? Shall we start? What is Newton's law of gravitation? Any idea about it? Two masses m1, m2 situated at a distance r. Then what will be the gravitational force in between them? Consider there is two bodies having mass m1 and m2 situated at a distance in between them is r. Then what will be the force between them? The force is F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. This is known as Newton's law of gravitation. Is it possible to measure the attractive force in between two subatomic particles? How to measure it? In those situations, we can take the charges. Consider two charges, Q1, Q2 are in between the distance r. Then the force in between them is F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square, where K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Then our equation will be F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. This equation is known as Coulomb's law. Newton's gravitational force is always attractive, but Coulomb's force is not always attractive. It may repulsive or attractive depend upon the charges. If a charge Q1 is positive and another charge Q2 having a charge negative, then what will happen? It will attract. Then what will happen? Two opposite charges attract each other. Then it is an attractive force. If a charge Q1 is positive and Q2 is also positive, then what will happen? Like charges repel. So that the value of Coulomb's force depends upon the charge. Newton's law of gravity doesn't depend upon a medium, but Coulomb's law always depends on the medium. Why? From Newton's law, gravitational constant G is not dependent upon any medium, but in Coulomb's force, the value epsilon 0, that is called permittivity of air, is depends. If you are calculating the Coulomb's force in different mediums, the value of epsilon will change. Coulomb's force also change and depends upon the medium. The value G is approximate to approximately equal to 10 power minus 10 Newton meter square by kg square. Similarly, the value Coulomb's constant K is equal to 10 power 10 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. I think that you got today's points. If you like this video, share to your friends and family.